We have with us the winning coach from Magnolia, Coach L.A. Tenorio. Coach L.A., congratulations. And making reference to last game, kung saan halftime you were leading but ended up losing that game against Converge. Today you talked about being able to sustain the good start. You were able to do that. Talk about the discipline and the attitude you saw from your players today as you tried to bounce back.
Well, we had a good start just like last game, di ba? Against Converge, but we didn't sustain that within the second half. So this time around, I reminded the boys, I reminded the whole team that we have to learn from the last game. Na we cannot let down on the second half, especially this kind of games. No, because every game for us is a playoff game. No, alam naman natin dikit-dikit yung standings, and isang talo lang talagang bagsak. So, I have to give credit to all my players. They responded. No, I told them before the game that this game will be the test of character for our team, test of discipline and character for our team. Yes, we are a young team and coached by a very young coach. So, this is a good test for us. We played the team that's very well coached. Sobrang ganda ng sistema na team, and hopefully this win will give us a big boost going to this last two big games for us, So I have to give credit to them. They really worked hard for this. They followed the game plan really well, and we took advantage of the long break of NLEX. I think yun yung malaking story dito, na take advantage namin yung long break nila. We had the game on Friday. This was the first game. So I think malaking bagay din na medyo naka-warm up na rin kami nung Friday.